Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonates with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's reading is about the October monthly prediction for the zodiac sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, let's see what the month of October has in store for you. So, we will look into the messages from the angels' answers and the life purpose and the romance angels later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So, Gemini, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Then we have the Six of Wands. Then we have the Nine of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Judgment. Okay. We have the Four of Cups. Okay. We have the Three of Cups. Then we have the Two of Pentacles. We have the Temperance card. Okay. And we have the Fool card. Okay. So, Gemini, I feel that in the month of October, you are working really hard in your career, also in your finances as well. Yes, to build that wealth. Yes, and also you are working, really hard upon a skill, upon a talent that you have. And also for some of you, you are working, on your relationship as well. And yes, you are going to be successful in whatever is that you would be focusing on. Yes, and also in the month of October, yes, your wish is going to be fulfilled, Gemini. Yes, and also I see a lot of celebration and happy times ahead in the month of October for you. Yes, and some of you, I feel that you could be worrying, could be about your love life, or for if you are a student, you could be really worried about your exams. But yes, you are going to find success in the month of October. Yes, in anything that you do. And also for those of you who are single, yes, a new person is coming into your life, and that person is going to be your wish fulfillment. Yes, and also I see that you will be sharing your good news with other people. Yes, and you are celebrating a lot with your loved ones. And I also feel that for some of you, 9th of October, it could be an important date for some of you. Yes, and I also feel that in the month of October, you will be handling your career and your personal life very well. Yes, and yes, there is going to be balance and harmony in your life, Gemini, in the month of October. Yes, and also you people are going to be very carefree, and you are going to ignore what other people think of you, and also you are going to ignore their drama as well. Yes, you'll be very carefree. Yes, and yes, in your career also everything looks really good. Yes, you are celebrating a lot. Yes, a very beautiful energy, Gemini. Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels, and how is your love life going to be. We will look into details. So, from the romance angels, we have for you chemistry. Okay, there's a strong magnetic attraction here. Okay. Then we have passion. Okay, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Then we have heart to heart conversation. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Okay. And we have retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. Okay. And we have romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Okay. So, yes, Gemini, I feel that, a very romantic time is ahead for you. Yes, in the month of October, yes, you are going to be, very romantic. And for those of you who are in relationship, yes, your relationship is moving into the next level. There is going to be a lot of passion and romance in your relationship. Yes, and also for those of you who are single, yes, you know that new person who is going to come into your life, yes, you are going to find that passion. They are going to have that passion, and you are also going to feel that heart to heart connection with them. And also I feel that for those of you who are already in a relationship, or for those of you who are married as well, yes, you could go somewhere with your partner. Yes, you could go on a holiday, some vacation as well. And your romantic life, that is really going to get very deep, and the bond between both of you, that is also going to be get very deep as well. Yes, there is going to be a lot of chemistry and passion, a lot of romance in your life in the month of October. Yes, and also you people are going to discuss very honestly about your feelings, about your desires, and what you are going to accept and not accept in your relationship. What is that you expect from your partner, and what you are going to do in this relationship. Yes, you are going to have a very honest conversation with them. Yes, you are going to discuss your feelings very honestly with each other. But yes, for some of you, for those for whom this is going to be a new person, for few of you, there could be an age gap between the both of you, but there is going to be a lot of passion and romance in your relationship. Yes, very romantic time ahead. And yes, your bond is really going to be deepened. And yes, the one that is coming into your life, yes, that person is going to have a lot of romantic feelings for you. And yes, angels, they are guiding you that your feelings as well, they are real and worth exploring as well. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the life purpose oracle. And how is your career going to be in the month of October. We will look into details from this oracle. So from life purpose oracle Gemini, we have for you freedom. You are free to do what you choose. Okay. And we have body work. Your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical therapy, or exercise training. Okay. And we have career change. Okay. You are embarking upon a career that brings you the joy and abundance you desire and deserve. And we have school. The answer that you are seeking involves going to school. Okay. So, yes, uh, uh, yes. So you are, really free to do what is that your heart desire. So yes, a lot of new opportunities are coming up your way, and yes, angels, they are guiding you that you have that freedom to choose your own path. Yes, the path that feels really you know right to you, the path that brings you freedom, gives you a sense of freedom and happiness, the sense of that lightness within you, joy within you. Yes, and also I feel that some of you could be interested in like in exercise training. Also some of you, you are going to be uh, taking care of your body, your health. You could be exercising a lot as well, and some of you could even work as a healer as well of some form. Yes, yes, you could involve yourself in energy healing work. Some you know you could work as a therapist as well. Yes, and also for some of you, yes, you are going to change your career, and you know uh, people might also get very surprised, those who know you, like you could change your career very drastically as well. Like people who already know you, like they are going to be really surprised. Yes, because uh, the path that you choose for yourself, it could be completely different from what other people expected of you. But yes, that path that is going to bring you happiness, and yes, you are going to be very successful as well in that path. Yes, and also some of you, yes, we have the school card. So yes, some of you, you could be teaching as well. You could be sharing your knowledge, your life experiences as well. Yes, and also you could be teaching, yes, some young children as well. But whatever that you choose to do, whatever path, career path that you choose to do, that is going to bring you a lot of abundance and joy in your life. Yes, uh, um, now let's see what guidance and what messages we have for you from the angels answers for the month of October. So we have for you, Gemini, big happy changes. Wow. Then we have opportunity. Okay, as I told you earlier, yes, lots of opportunities are going to come up your way, and it's up to you. Okay, so yes, Gemini, angels, they want you to know that yes, uh, new path in your career, in your relationship, new relationship is also coming up your way. Yes, there are big and happy changes that is coming your way, and also your wishes are going to be fulfilled. Yes, I also see that you are going to be celebrating a lot. And also angels, they ask you to take that leap of faith and trust that the opportunities that that are coming your way, that is going to bring you a lot of happiness and joy and abundance in your life. Yes, and also they are asking you that you need to follow your heart, the path that your heart leads you to. Yes, and know that positive growth is ahead of you. Yes, and also for some of you, yes, you could be wanting to, yes, change your career, and we have the career change card from the life purpose oracle as well. So angels, they are guiding you that some of you could be wanting to change your career, and also to bring romance into your life. So yes, angels, they are going to open a lot of opportunities for you in your way. Yes, yes, a lot of opportunities is going to open up for you. Yes, in your romantic love life and in your career as well. So yes, they are asking you that it's up to you. So yes, you need to stand in your power and have confidence and faith that yes, everything that is going to happen, it is for your own highest good, and it has a very beautiful outcome as well. So yes, they are asking you that it's up to you how you approach everything that comes your way, Gemini. Yes, a very very beautiful energy, Gemini. So yes, that was all for you. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you liked my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comments section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Gemini. I hope you all have a great month ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.